A red blood cell has a biconcave shape. As you can see here, I'm drawing a red blood cell with a biconcave shape. This biconcave shape increases the surface area of the red blood cell, which increases the rate of diffusion of oxygen into and out of the cell. I'm now going to compare the surface areas of a cell with a biconcave and without a biconcave shape. So this is without a biconcave shape, and this red blood cell has a biconcave shape, as you can see. So these are the entry points for the non-biconcave red blood cell. So there's 14 centimeters of surface area, whereas on the biconcave red blood cell, there are going to be 18 entry points. There's 18 centimeters of surface area. So as you can see here, the biconcave shape gives the red blood cell a larger surface area to increase the rate of diffusion of oxygen in and out of the cell. I'm now going to introduce to you a new keyword, erythrocyte, which means red blood cell. So inside a erythrocyte, there is haemoglobin. So the H shows haemoglobin inside the red blood cell. So haemoglobin is what oxygen binds. So I'm now showing you the oxygen binding the haemoglobin. So that is an adaptation. But a red blood cell, aka erythrocyte, has lots of haemoglobin. The more haemoglobin, the more oxygen can bind the haemoglobin, and therefore it can carry more oxygen. So it's got many haemoglobin, so more oxygen binds, therefore it can carry more oxygen. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The last adaptation is a erythrocyte has no nucleus. If it had a nucleus, it would carry less haemoglobin. So it does not have a nucleus. So there is no nucleus in a erythrocyte. Therefore, it can carry more haemoglobin, and therefore more oxygen binds, and oxygen is carried in a higher concentration. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Press pause to practice using the keywords. The answers will follow. Red blood cells, aka erythrocyte, has a biconcave shape to increase the surface area, to increase the rate of diffusion of oxygen. It has no nucleus, so it can hold more haemoglobin to bind and carry more oxygen. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers are going to follow, and if you're stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. If you made any mistakes, go back and watch the video again.